Hello, hello, hello. I'm going to show you how to download a Facebook video onto your computer. I don't know how to do this from my phone, but I'm going to show you how to do it from my computer. So here I'm in my private Facebook group and I uploaded a video directly into my group, and I want to download this and put this in another group without doing it from my phone. I want to do it from my PC. I also want to have the video on my PC. So here's the video, and what I'm going to do, guys, is you go to the time date stamp right there and you click on it, and it's going to open it up, and it's going to give you its own URL, its own web address for that video. So what I'm going to do, guys, is there's the web address for this video, and all you do is you go here where it says www, and I delete it and I put M. And what that does, guys, is it's going to put the video in mobile format, and then watch what happens. So I'm going to hit enter. Now here it is in mobile format. It looks kind of wonky. You start to play it.
How many days a week do you wear a face mask?
Oops. Okay, so I paused it, and then I'm going to right click on it, save video as, and you click on it, and then you just save it like my face mask video, and I'm going to save it in my videos, okay? And then I'm going to hit save. Now, guys, this works for private videos. If it's in a private form, it actually works like anywhere. So it's really, really awesome. And if you got any value from that, let me know. But that's how you download Facebook videos, you guys. No software needed. No worries about any bugs or anything like that. You just put it in mobile format. Boom, done. All right. Hope you got value. Thanks.